How to make all photos private on Facebook. To get started, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Once you're here, tap on Photos as shown. Here, you can view all your photos and albums on Facebook. Open any of your album from here. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Edit Album. Here, tap on Friends. Now, change your post audience to only me. Then, tap on Done. This means that only you can see your post. Tap on Save above. You will now see the locked icon under your album name. Following these steps, you can easily make all photos private on Facebook.